외부로부터 철저히 단절된 어느 고립된 섬마을. 폭풍우가 몰아치던 끔찍한 밤. 시장 바비와 그의 아내 그레이스는 유산이라는 뼈아픈 비극을 겪게 됩니다.
Hey, Bobby, the power's out.
Oh, yeah?
How you getting on, love?
She's fine.
You know, Bobby, if Grace had any complications, just remember they're real common.
She lost the baby, Bo.
그리고 다음날 아침
Oh, we're still doing out here. You hear that?
바비와 마을 의사 보우는 파도에 떠밀려와 뒤집힌 배 한 척을 발견하고 그 속에서 기적처럼 살아있는 여자아기를 구조합니다. 놀라운 일은 그때 벌어졌습니다. 그의 상처가 씻은 듯이 저절로 아물어버린 것이죠. 부부는 이 신비한 능력을 가진 아이에게 아일라라는 이름을 지어주고 자신들의 친딸처럼 정성껏 키우기 시작합니다. 그로부터 10년이라는 세월이 흐릅니다.
Chipmunk ran around the tree trunk, trying to get a glimpse of his tail. The hawk watched from the treetops and thought, if only that chipmunk could see he's running in a circle. And the whale poked his nose above the breaking waves and wondered, what is everyone doing up here?
Charlotte, that's your time. Many thanks to you, Isla. And so smart. I think you can take some credit for that, Faye. Okay. Thank you, Faye. My pleasure.
마을 사람들은 아일라를 마치 신이나 만병통치약처럼 대하며 매일같이 그녀를 대면해 상처를 치유받으며 살아갑니다. 특히 치매를 앓다가 아일라 덕분에 완치된 그레이스의 어머니 페이,
Mr. Holland, oh my God. Had a bit to drink last night.
아일라를 숭배하는 일종의 사이비 종교 같은 의식적 방문을 주관하기 시작하죠.
Isla? Grace.
I know you're in there.
마을의 학교 선생님이기도 한 그녀는 아이들에게 우리는 선택받은 민족이라 세뇌하고
The drifting boats at Enza roam.
And so the island remains.
The chosen folk to protect and hold.
And so the island remains.
Well done, Philip.
Thank you, Miss Faye.
Who can identify this sound? Isla.
No time again.
Correct. Who would like to try? Remember, courage has no age limit. Junior. You have courage. Many thanks to Isla.
Thanks, Isla.
어느 날 아일라와 보의 아들 주니어는 말벌집을 발견하는데 아일라는 말벌들이 자신에게 몰려드는 모습에 매료됩니다. 하지만 말벌들이 주니어를 공격하자 눈을 감고 순식간에 모든 말벌을 죽인 아일라.
You alright? Don't tell anyone about this, okay?
Okay, I won't.
그날 밤 남자들은 맨손 권투 시합을 벌입니다.
All right, I got Dylan at 6. Bo, what do you have Marlon?
What Dylan score?
I got him at 6.
I guess Dylan takes it.
마을에 지독한 흉어가 찾아와 물고기가 잡히지 않자
Hey, Mayor, I got a bet for you if you're interested.
Always been partial to a wager? What you got?
We're still short on cod. I win. We take Isla with us one last time.
아일라의 능력을 고기잡이에 이용해보자는 기가 막힌 제안을 합니다.
Come on, Dylan. You can't ask your father to gamble with his own daughter.
Schedule's in place for a reason, boys. All right?
You make it a hard few weeks on me and the boys, or it's a pleasant afternoon on the water with Isla.
Bobby, come on.
Make a decision.
All right, one round.
결국 챔피언인 딜런이 아일라가 어부들을 돕는다는 내기에서 이기게 됩니다.
Where's Isla?
She's upstairs.
On your feet.
Thanks, Grace. Hi, Mayor.
Hey, buddy.
What happened?
Come on, move your feet.
We're gonna take Isla out fishing.
What? When?
Thursday. Boys are a little low.
내기 권투에서 패한 바비는 잠든 아일라를 찾습니다. 그리고 잠시 후 바비의 상처는 순식간에 치유됩니다.
First published in Paris, France. Hey, Bo, what's France? The mainland?
It's, you know, it's got a lot of different people.
It's just a made-up place for the story, darling. Come on, Bo. It's your time.
I got it. Merci beaucoup, Isla.
다음 날 약속대로 아일라와 함께 고기잡이에 나선 바비.
Hello, Isla.
Good morning.
How you doing today?
Pretty good.
Good, good. Hi, buddy. 1, 2, 3.
You ready?
그리고 놀랍게도 아일라가 닿자마자 수백 마리의 물고기가 몰려들며 마을은 풍어를 맞이합니다. 이로써 마을 사람들의 아일라에 대한 광적인 의존도는 걷잡을 수 없이 커져만 갑니다. 하지만 인가의 맹신은 곧 참혹한 대가를 요구한다는 걸 이들은 모르고 있었죠.
All right, little sis. Once you eat him, you got 15 minutes before the poison kicks in.
그 시각 아이들은 내기를 하며 놀고 있습니다.
Don't be a wuss. Alice's house is right there.
I'm telling you, Suze, it works. We'll take you straight to Isla.
You don't gotta do it.
Fine, I'll do it. Give him.
프랭크의 아들 필립은 아일라가 고쳐줄 거라며 굳게 믿고 맹독을 먹어버립니다. 아일라가 집에 있을 거라고 생각하며 그녀의 집으로 달리는데
You feel it?
Shit! What? She's not there. What do you mean? She's always here. She's not right now. Dad, come quick. It's Philip.
Where's Isla?
I don't know. She's supposed to be home
shit,
today.
she's out to get caught.
It's not the first of the month.
Stupid games you kids playing at anyway. Go.
결국 위독한 필립은 급히 폐쇄된 진료소로 옮겨지고
Charlotte, we need Isla. She's down off Tiller's Cove. Go.
당연하게도 아일라를 찾는 마을 사람들.
Kids, stay here.
Okay. Clear his mouth.
Outside, Nancy. Now!
Make up.
마을에 유일했던 의사보가 필립의 위를 세척합니다.
Okay, Philip.
Bo, he's not breathing. Bo, he's not breathing.
Pull up. Let's go.
Bring Isla to the clinic. Philip's really sick.
What?
Hurry!
What happened, baby?
뒤늦게 아일라가 돌아왔지만 하지만 이미 죽은 사람을 살릴 수는 없었습니다.
Bring him back. Please, Isla, please.
결국 필립은 너무도 허무하게 숨을 거두게 됩니다.
How you doing?
Philip's gone forever.
Yeah.
충격에 빠져 치유 능력이 멈춰버린 아일라.
I know it's been a while since we've had one of these, but I had a couple announcements we wanted to make. First up, Bo will be reopening the clinic.
Yeah, I'll be keeping my old regular hours. Drop in if need be.
Why? Why?
What is this about, Mayor?
What? Yeah.
바비는 아일라에게 휴식이 필요하다며 모든 주민의 면회를 강제로 중단시켰고
It's only temporary.
Shouldn't we be focusing on keeping things as normal as possible for that girl?
Yeah, fussing's only gonna spook her, Mayor.
Visitations have been a part of Isla's entire life, and she gets as much out of it as we do.
That's right.
so-
That's right.
하지만 꿀 같은 기적의 맛을 잊지 못한 주민들은 거세게 반발하죠.
Thank you for coming out.
기득권을 잃기 싫었던 페이.
But there is a long history of our town voting on matters of importance.
That's right. That's
Now, Bobby, you and my daughter have done a great job raising Isla, but it just doesn't feel right for us all not to have a say here.
She's my daughter, Faye. This is not up for community vote.
The only reason you're her parents is because we all got to vote on it.
Yes, so let's have a show of hands. Let's have a show of hands. How many people want Isla to have a break? And how many people think that we should continue visitation?
Right here. Right here.
투표를 통해 시장인 바비의 결정마저 뒤집어 버립니다.
Hi, Isla.
Minnows and guppies.
Thanks, Captain.
You're welcome. How's the best fisher on the island doing?
Good. But, I can't make you feel better today.
That's okay.
I'm really sorry.
Hey, that's okay. Just want to make sure you still remember how to smile.
한편 프랭크 부부가 시장인 바비를 찾아옵니다.
What can I do for you guys?
Susan, Bobby, she's not doing too good. Now she's taking this whole thing real hard, and we're running out of
We're
ideas.
scared, Bobby.
딸 수잔의 건강 문제로 육지로 나가 치료받길 원하고 있죠.
We won't utter a single word about Isla to anybody.
I can't imagine how difficult this time has been on you both.
하지만 혹여나 아일라의 존재가 누설될까 육지로 나가는 걸 반대합니다.
You're right, Frank. You're right.
I'm afraid that we have to do what's best for our family here, Mayor.
We all agreed to this, Frank.
You can't keep us here.
I'm sorry.
Fuck you, Bobby.
Come on.
Dylan still keep the doors locked up at night.
You know, Bobby, it might not be a bad idea to take Isla to see some doctors we trust on
Bo.
the mainland.
We both know what happens to her if she goes there. She can't leave the island.
You were talking in your sleep. Sounded like bad dreams.
I hope I didn't startle you.
I'm sorry I can't heal you.
Don't be sorry, child. I wasn't myself before you came into this family. You brought me back.
Faye, you want to talk about the other night? It would have been nice having your support at town hall. Support your granddaughter.
You both have a lot to be proud of as parents. But if you're interested in being mayor too, you'd be grateful that I forced the vote. Many thanks to Isla.
Oh, I could go.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, who wants to see a little magic?
보는 아일라와 주니어에게 깜짝 선물을 가져다 주는데
Well, I'll fish on it for a spell.
What is it?
It's wonder. Now you guys have to promise to keep this a secret.
바로 정상 작동하는 텔레비전이었습니다. 그리고 그날 밤 그레이스와 바비는 아일라가 잠든 동안 상처가 치유되는 것을 알게 됩니다.
Where are you going? I gotta get Mom before she has another episode. Let's just wait until tomorrow. It's because she's sleeping, Bobby. I have to go now.
How do you know that?
We were with her all day. Nothing happened. Look at your hand.
I still think it's a bad idea. All I know is if your mother finds out about this, that entire support group's gonna be climbing through Isla's
Just
window.
expect I'd stand by and watch my mother die.
People die. Grace,
이로 인해 페이를 치료해야 할지 말지를 두고 의견 충돌이 생기는데
we have got to keep this a secret. We're gonna protect our daughter.
정신 나간 어머니를 구해야 한다는 강박감에 사로잡힌 그레이스.
Okay.
Like how we found her.
Sorry, am I interrupting?
Marlon is sharing something with us.
Mind if I sit in?
그 시각 지원 그룹에 방문한 보우.
Go on.
Maybe it's something we did. All that potential. Hard to believe it just go away like that.
Did you want to share something with us, Bo?
You know, I wouldn't mind, actually. Thank you.
We just asked that you be honest.
I remember Marlon here coming into the clinic about 15 years ago. He pulled in a purse rope all by himself and tore his shoulders, all the shit. I swear to you, as I sit here. The man, he couldn't raise his arms above his waist. He looked like a penguin. Yeah, there were some jibes, but the boys, it didn't stop them from buying you whiskeys all month, am I right? You never seen a man so proud of the hard work he'd done. Now that's community. That's real potential.
아일라가 오기 전 그들이 힘들게 이뤄낸 성과를 자랑스러워했던 시절을 떠올립니다. 잠시 향수에 젖지만
But now, the strongest man in town is crying because a 10-year-old can't cure his fucking hangover.
아일라에 대한 사람들의 의존성을 비판하는 보우.
Suggest you walk.
Don't worry, I'm not staying. But I just ask you all to remember what life meant before all this started. Remember what makes you proud to be an Islander. Now, you lost your damn mind.
This is supposed to be a safe space.
Hey, come on.
그들을 비판하자 사람들은 분노하기 시작했죠.
Who's next?
보우는 프랭크의 집으로 향합니다.
Frank? Melissa? Frank? Oh, take it easy. Take it easy, Frank. Frank, it's Bo.
Frank.
Frank, I just want to talk. I was hoping that I could help you steal a boat.
Why would you want to do that?
Because me and Junior want to leave with you.
그리고 그가 비밀리에 배를 만들고 있다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Is this part of your house, Frank? Was this your floor?
We could probably fit two more.
When do we leave?
그 역시 프랭크 가족과 함께하기로 마음먹습니다.
Mom. Mom, are you okay?
한동안 아일라에게 의존하지 않은 채 며칠이 지난 시점
Tea on Sunday.
Where's Bobby?
He's upstairs, sleeping.
Well, you better wake him up. Your father's coming over for supper any time now.
바비의 장모는 또다시 치매와 우울증이 재발되기 시작합니다.
Can I show you something?
We agreed we were gonna keep this a secret.
She's my mother.
사람들은 서서히 한계가 오기 시작합니다. 마을의 고기잡이는 다시금 힘들어졌고 결국 자신들의 문제점들을 해결하기 위해 또다시 아일라를 찾기 시작하는데
Bobby, Grace, thank you for coming. As you know, we lost our whole purse the day of Philip's accident. So we've just been playing catch up since then, but it's looking like we're just not gonna have enough cod to make it through winter.
Then what are you doing in here? Why aren't you out on the water?
We have been. Got all the pots going and everything.
It's not about that. There's no fish in the ocean. You've seen those trawlers out there day and night, I'm sure you've noticed. Mainlanders. Not gonna be happy until there's nothing left.
Truth is, we all kind of thought Isla would be back to herself by now.
Hello?
심지어 겨울을 날 식량이 부족해지자
Am I interrupting?
No.
I've been thinking about what's going on. And I have an idea. Do you want to hear it? I have to keep an open mind. Isla healed me when she was sleeping. She healed you, too. Bo gave me these a few years ago.
페이는 10년이나 묵은 수면제를 아일라에게 먹여 잠재운 뒤 그 무의식 상태의 능력을 착취해 물고기를 잡자는 악마 같은 제안을 서슴지 않습니다.
You don't want your people to starve this winter. The village trusts you, Bobby.
Mom, you just give us a minute.
I told you. Decisions aren't being made in town hall anymore. They're being made in that support
We
group.
don't know that.
We know that. What are you talking about, Grace? Drugging our child? That's the option?
People take sleeping pills all the time.
Not kids, Grace. When we decided to be her parents, it was so that she would not be turned into a science experiment. That is exactly what we're doing.
바비는 아일라가 실험 대상이 될까봐 반대했지만
I think we need to strongly consider getting her off this island.
No. No, no. Things will get back to how they were. It'll be just like she was sleeping.
결국 약에 취한 아일라를 안고 바다로 나갔고
I want to thank you for coming tonight, for showing your love for Isla and our great mayor. It's up to us to move forward together, as we always have, as a village, in solidarity. From the skies to the sea, the island remains, as always, steadfast and strong. Many thanks to Isla. Many thanks to Isla. Many thanks to Isla.
해안가에서 아일라를 향해 외쳐대는 광기 어린 축제가 벌어집니다.
Been a while since I had fresh cod. What the hell's going on, Bobby? How?
They drugged her.
What?
Some of Faye's old prescriptions.
You let that happen?
You think I want this to happen?
You tell me.
자신의 딸이 괴물 같은 마을 사람들의 도구로 전락하는 것을 보다 못한 바비. 그는 보에게 모든 것을 털어놓고 가족을 살리기 위해 야반도주를 결심합니다.
Frank, Melissa, they're leaving tonight. Be at their home just after sunset. They only have room for two.
자신과 주니어의 자리를 양보하는 보. 그날 저녁
Cap?
Junior's over at the Benthams.
페이가 와 있었죠.
I hope you don't mind me making myself some tea.
Not at all.
When I came here earlier, Junior was upstairs watching a TV.
You can't blame me for keeping a few souvenirs, can you? Good to see you. Can I fix you something stronger?
Not tonight. School tomorrow. Bo, what are you doing? I saw you speaking with Bobby.
I think we've been given an important job. To give that sweet girl a chance at a normal life, and we're messing it up.
If I didn't know any better, I'd think you were going somewhere.
Isla needs me now more than ever. I'd never leave her here.
That's what scares me.
Faye, how long have our families been out here on the island? But this island's in our blood, in our bones. We've had our disagreements, but it always got sorted. Our family stayed. Worked together. Through it all.
And I'm willing to work toward a compromise if you are.
Faye, she's a little girl, and we can't keep poisoning her with our fear.
미래에 대한 이야기를 하던 중
I will do everything I can to keep you coming.
I'm not going back there.
다시는 정신 나간 상태로 돌아가지 않겠다며 단호하게 말합니다.
I'll be right here for you. You want me to fix you some supper?
I'm not hungry.
결국 섬을 떠나려 하던 보우에게 독이 든 위스키를 먹여 살해했고
Mom! Dad! The clinic!
병원에 불을 질러 사고사로 위장한 베이.
Get your things now.
그 시각 바비는 아일라를 데리고 도망치려 하지만
Frank?
프랭크 가족은 결국 약속 시간보다 일찍 마을을 떠나게 됩니다.
Dad? Dad, come here.
속수무책으로 지켜보기만 하는 마을 사람들. 그렇게 보우는 처참한 죽음을 맞게 됩니다. 다음 날 아침 섬을 빠져나간 프랭크 부부의 아동학대 신고가 있었고 이로 인해 해안경비대원과 사회복지사가 마을에 들이닥칩니다.
It's okay. It's okay. Just head on home. Yeah, wait for the signal. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Back inside. If you're nervous, just go inside. It's all right.
Don't let me handle this, okay?
Hey there!
Hi! Pearl City. You guys lost?
I'm Lucy. This is Emily.
I'm Dylan. Hi.
Didn't realize this village was still here. Thought the island was resettled years ago.
No, and we take great pride in that. So how can we help you?
A family was picked up in a boat this morning, and we have reason to believe there's a child welfare issue on the island. So, if you could take us to the home of Isla Bentham.
Well, that's my daughter. Maybe I could answer some questions for you.
No, first order of business is just to have a conversation with the child. Thank you.
Of course.
Hello?
Dispatch.
Someone there? I need help.
What's your current location?
Send more people.
Please describe the nature of your problem. Hello? This is dispatch. Please describe the nature of your problem.
Mr. Bentham, is there anyone else in the house?
Yes, my wife, Grace.
Sir, please go home. You don't need to be here.
Just a second. Okay. This is, Emily from Social Services. She wants to talk to Isla.
We received a report of possible child endangerment, and I need to do a welfare check on the household.
Wipe your feet. She's upstairs. Isla, sweet pea, there's a stranger here who's going to ask you some questions. Everything will be okay.
Isla? My name is Emily. I'm a social worker from Pearl City. May I sit down?
아일라와 대면하게 된 복지사.
Sir, I have asked you repeatedly to go back to your homes. Sir, please.
Everyone, please. We're fine. Just go back home.
We're just a little concerned, Bobby. What's going on in there?
Isla, I was hoping to ask you about your mom and dad. Do they ever get into fights?
Sometimes.
But when they do fight, I'm curious if they raise their voices at each other. Isla, I'm here because someone was worried about you. Why would somebody think you might be in danger? Have you ever felt like you're in danger?
You really do sound just like us.
Are you sure you're okay, Isla?
I'm sure.
복지사인 에밀리는 안심했지만 하지만 면담을 마치고 일어나자
You're supposed to thank me.
Pardon me?
When you leave the room, you're supposed to say many thanks to Isla.
아일라의 말에 복지사 에밀리는 당황할 수밖에 없었습니다.
Isla.
I'd like to take the family with us for more questioning, away from the village.
Stay close to me.
결국 아일라 가족을 육지로 동행해 조사를 더 이어가려 하는데
Not taking us anywhere. I'm sorry, ma'am. We should have you back by tomorrow.
Bobby is our mayor. He's beloved by this community. And I can assure you that this child is loved and cared for.
Thank you, Faye.
Please follow me.
하지만 기적을 빼앗길 위기에 처하자 예상치 못한 일이 벌어집니다.
You're kidnapping this family! This way, please.
An hour ago, you didn't even know this community existed, and now you think you can tell us what to do?
We take all child endangerment complaints seriously. This is now an issue for child services. This does not concern you.
You're not leaving this island with that girl. It's not happening. Not today.
주민들의 광기는 폭주하기 시작합니다.
Sir, stand back. I am not going to ask you again. Sir, please.
Dylan.
Mayor, tell your people to stand back.
Dylan.
Mayor.
Hey, hey, hey! Oh!
Do not do something you can't take back.
The gun down.
You know you're doing your job.
Marlon,
Listen.
come on, guys.
But you're not
Guys.
taking this family.
Everyone, please relax. We'll be back. Everyone. No.
급기야 주민들은 해안경비대원에게 총을 쏴 죽였고
Just breathe. You're gonna do it, okay?
Please let me go.
돌이킬 수 없는 선을 넘고 맙니다.
I won't tell anyone.
Isla!
What was that noise? Mom, where's Dad?
No.
Bobby, listen to me.
그 와중에 자신들과 함께할 것을 강요하는 페이.
Say it.
Okay.
Forever, Bobby.
Okay. I promise. Just please get Isla. Yes. Please.
Mom, where's Dad?
No, it's fine. We'll see him in a
I
second.
need to see Dad.
Isla, please just stay. You need to stay here.
Isla, just stay.
Bobby's been shot. He doesn't have much time. Grace, we need to move quickly.
Isla, sweet pea. We need you to drink this.
Alright, what's going on?
I don't have time to explain. Just please trust me.
What's going on?
Isla, you need to drink this.
How come you won't tell me anything?
Isla, Daddy's been hurt. You need to drink this. It'll help him.
No, I want
Isla.
to see him.
Mom,
Where
Isla,
is
Mom,
he?
Isla.
또다시 아일라에게 억지로 약을 먹이려 듭니다.
Come on, honey.
Isla.
Open your mouth.
Open.
바로 그때
Open your mouth. Isla. Listen to your mother.
Isla, please. Come on, swallow.
Get off her!
아버지가 살해당한 것을 알게 된 빌리가 엽총을 들고 들이닥칩니다.
Junior, just put the gun
What were
down.
you just doing to her?
Nothing.
She's crying.
Junior, Isla is fine. Please put the gun
Think
down.
this through, Junior.
What did you do to my dad?
그는 아버지를 죽인 원수 페이에게 총구를 겨누고
We were family.
You killed him, didn't you?
No.
Junior, please just listen to me. She's right. We are family, and we will get through this together. Now put the gun down.
Stop lying.
동시에 비명을 지르며 눈을 감은 아일라. 그리고 잠시 후 꽉 쥐었던 주먹을 천천히 펴는 아일라. 그런데 무슨 일인지 그녀가 집 밖으로 걸어 나오자 그곳의 모든 사람들이 차가운 시체로 변해 쓰러져 있었습니다. 자신을 숭배하고 착취하던 마을 사람들, 자신을 옥죄던 인간들의 탐욕을 폭발적인 힘으로 모조리 심판해버린 것이죠. 이제 기적이 사라져버린 마을, 그리고 홀로 남겨진 아일라. 그녀는 부두를 향해 다가오는 해안 경비정을 바라봅니다. 그들을 바라보는 아일라의 모습을 끝으로 영화는 막을 내립니다. 영화 더킹 타이드는 단순한 초능력이나 기적에 관한 이야기가 아닙니다. 이 작품은 고립된 사회 속에서 인간의 밑바닥에 깔린 탐욕과 이기심이 어떻게 발현되는지를 보여주는 서늘한 경고장에 가깝습니다. 파도가 밀어다준 기적, 아일라. 하지만 마을 사람들에게 그녀는 사랑으로 품어야 할 아이가 아니라 자신의 안위와 기득권을 지켜줄 도구이자 소유물에 불과했습니다. 치유라는 맹목적인 믿음은 서서히 통제할 수 없는 광기로 변질되었고, 기적을 독점하려던 인간들의 발악은 결국 스스로를 파멸의 늪으로 몰아넣고 말았습니다. 가장 소름 돋는 지점은 이 끔찍한 비극이 외부의 위협이 아닌 그들만의 삐뚤어진 연대감에서 비롯되었다는 것입니다. 맹신에 사로잡힌 다수가 얼마나 잔혹해질 수 있는지, 그리고 선의로 포장된 폭력이 얼마나 무서운 결과를 낳는지를 영화는 적나라하게 까발립니다. 모든 것이 끝난 후 텅 빈 마을을 뒤로한 채 거세게 밀려오는 파도를 응시하는 아일라의 마지막 뒷모습. 기적을 감당할 자격이 없는 어리석은 인간들이 어떤 결말을 맞이하는지 영화는 시체들의 참혹한 침묵으로 대답합니다. 우리는 과연 저 광기 어린 섬마을 사람들과 다르다고 자신 있게 말할 수 있을까요? 진정한 괴물은 과연 누구였는지 우리에게 질문을 던지는 영화, 지금까지 더킹 타이드였습니다.